just saw is our company's new type of double girder overhead crane. Compared to traditional cranes, this one has a lower overall height. This means that when building workshops, the building height can be reduced, saving on construction costs. The design has a smaller maximum size, which effectively increases the usable area of the workshop. Also, as you can hear, it operates with less noise. This new type of double girder overhead crane adopts a unique design concept, featuring a small weight and pressure on the core wheel, a simple and compact structure, and occupies less space. While reducing costs, it greatly improves work efficiency. Actually, this crane has an extremely important product, our company's unique core product with independent intellectual property rights, the Planetary Gearbox. This type of gearbox is typically used in industries like military, aerospace, and other high-precision sectors. It works similarly to the way planets orbit the Sun in the solar system, consisting of 4 main components: the Sun gear, planetary gears, planet carrier, and internal gear ring. Depending on the gear ratio, the number of planetary gears varies at different stages. The commonly used first stage has 3 gears, the second stage has 3- for gears, and the third stage has 5 gears or even more. This structure allows the Sun gear to drive multiple gears at once, with each stage of the transmission having multiple teeth engaged. The planetary carrier is made from high-strength alloy steel and is forged, so it can withstand significant impact and torque. Therefore, this structure requires very high precision in the manufacturing and assembly of the gearbox. It uses gear grinding processes that must be completed in high-precision machining centers. Traditional single-tooth gearboxes typically have a gear ring precision of level 8-9, while the Planetary Gearbox has a precision of level 5-6 according to national standards. As a result, its noise is 40% lower than traditional gearboxes. The gear teeth of the Planetary Gearbox have very small contact gaps, and each impact is shared by multiple teeth, making it highly impact resistant. Furthermore, if any part of the gearbox gets damaged, the gearbox will seize up immediately, preventing any safety accidents. This gives it excellent safety performance. Currently, the Planetary Gearbox can be paired with any motor, including cone rotor motors, 4-volt motors, variable frequency motors, high-speed motors, and Korean-style motors, and is suitable for various power amplifiers. It can also be matched with any brand of motor. This is a foam machine used in steel plants, showing the application of our Planetary Gearbox on site. As you can see, its size is very compact, taking up no extra space. The hoist part uses our core technology, the Planetary Gearbox. You can clearly see that the hoist we designed is very small in volume and operates very reliably. Most hoists used in steel plants now are large rotating supports combined with a 3-in-1 structure. If the center of gravity is unstable, it can easily jam or damage the gears, leading to very high post-use costs. Good products are built on advanced technology and stable quality. Our company not only provides products but also offers a complete service system, including pre-sales, in-sales, and after-sales support. Before constructing the factory, our technicians communicate with your team to ensure we provide cranes that truly meet the practical needs and production process requirements, saving costs for the later stages. Is there anything else you would like to know about the newly developed advanced double girder overhead crane? Feel free to contact us.